Welcome to the HALLER lecture hall. In this issue, we will demonstrate with the forming tool. Due to the high contour accuracy requirements of forming tools, so we need to import the tool contour line before programming, as processing requirements. Select the tool type. Enter the geometric parameter setting interface. According to the drawing specification, accurately configure geometric parameters. Contour shape, the back angle, helix angle, and clamping options. Then enter the setting of the grinding step of the tool. For this forming tool, we select the processing procedures, groove and back angle. Finally, we fine-tune the processing parameters for each process and match the appropriate grinding wheel specification. Finally, the simulated machining path of the tool is generated. It should be noted that the actual processing edge profile of the forming tool should strictly match the reference profile. In addition, the workpiece positioning datum and the grinding wheel will also affect the machining accuracy of the tool. Thanks for watching. See you next time.